Today, Boots in the Field, I want to address a question that gets asked a lot this time of year about putting herbicides on before we level. And that's one of the goals that we talk about in our winter meetings and stuff, as far as trying to accomplish less than 3-inch peaks and valleys in the spring. So if I'm doing my fall tillage and it looks too rough and it's not going to overwinter, I'm going to hit it in the fall, knock it down, so I have less than 3-inch peaks and valleys. So when I put the herbicide on in the spring, I don't have to go in and do an early leveling pass. Where we are right here, we're right on that line. This field is probably too rough, especially if I'm fighting weed pressure, to make a herbicide application to it, because my peaks and valleys alternate through here, but it's pretty common to find a valley in here that's anywhere from 4.5 to 5 inches deep as far as the valley itself goes. Herbicide gets down in here at the bottom, and I pull this soil over the top. I have a zone in here that's treated, but I'm going to end up with a zone right here that's not treated. And you're going to see either a low rate in this area or no rate. So then you're going to start to see the streaking that would take place in the poor control. And sometimes if you work the field at an angle, you'll see the control problems at the angle that you did your fall tillage at, which would tell you you buried the product. So we don't want to get the herbicide too deep. So if this was your case and you're on that line, you're fighting a lot of problems from a weed control perspective, we would recommend that you level this field first and then put your weed feed program onto it. If we're less than 3-inch peaks and valleys, we would go ahead and treat it, and then we can take out the floater tracks with our primary or secondary tillage that we're going to get ready for planting in.